Hello students, good afternoon everybody. Today we will discuss about our follow-up lesson, one of follow-up lesson, slaves reading. That is class 8 slaves reading. We have already learned the main lesson. What was that? The main lesson was the reading master. Then today we will discuss its follow-up lesson, that is a slaves reading. Here SCB1, first all of you see SCB1. All of you see your book. Number 1, SCB1 consists of 2 passages. And number 1 passage, all of you see, Jim was an old slave. He worked under his master for a long time. His master had bought him from a slave market, and when he was a young boy of 11. Then point number 2, his master's children liked him very much. They liked him for his stories, and he was a very good storyteller also, and he was also a very good singer, but among the other slaves, and he was famous as a riddle maker. He could make riddles out of nothing and make a fool of others, and he made songs out of riddles in his stories. So everyone liked Jimmy. His master also liked him because he was very faithful also. So first, in number 1 point, all of you see, Jim was an old slave. Slave, do you know? చూడండి మనకి చిన్నది అయితే చక్కర మనకు servant మనకు. And he worked under his master for a long time. Who worked? Jim worked under his master as he was bought by some person, but by his master, so that's why he also worked under his master for a long time. His master had bought him from a slave market where the persons they were sold as for servant for lifelong. That is the market that was placed, and that was the slave market. And also Jim was bought by his master from that market. And when he was a young boy of 11, but he was bought by his master at 11 years. When he was at 11 years. Then in point number 2, his master's children liked him very much. Master's children, Jim's master's children, they also liked Jim very much because Jim was a very excellent storyteller also. And he told stories very excellently and very interestingly also. They liked him for his stories. His master's children liked him for his stories because his stories which he told, they were very interesting for them. And he was a very good storyteller, and he was also a very good singer. And also Jim was a very good storyteller. Jim was a storyteller and also was a singer. Jim was both a storyteller and also a singer. That's why his master's children liked him very much. So then after, He was also a very good singer, but among the other slaves, he was famous for as a riddle maker. And besides that, he was also a riddle maker. He was a riddle maker also. So that's why his children, master's children, liked him very much. And he could make riddle out of nothing and make a fool of others. Now, out of nothing, he could make a riddle. What for? To make others fool. To make others fool. And he made songs out of riddles. And also make songs out of riddles. riddles मध्ये से कौन song तैयारी कर पाता लेखी पाता and in his stories. So everyone liked Jim. So that's why Jim liked by everyone. Everyone liked Jim very much, and his master also liked him because he was faithful. Here one word, faithful. विश्वस्त. विश्वस्त बहुत भाବରେ विश्वस्त भी थिला. So hereby we completed the two passages. Now in these two passages now we will summarize the portion again. First all of you see the portion and listen that Jimmy, a boy who was bought by his master at the age of 11, now as a slave from a slave market, and also Jimmy was very good in good in these qualities, and he also possessed the qualities of he was a good storyteller, was a singer, and also was very perfect in riddle maker. That's why Jimmy's master's children also liked Jim very much. So hereby Jim's stories, they were very interesting. Jim also by telling his stories impressed everyone. That's why Jim also liked by all people thereby. And he, besides this, Jim was a very faithful. Jim was a very faithful boy. Now here some questions are there. All of you see the questions first. Now, who is the paragraph about? Who is this paragraph about? Questions. We will discuss some questions. Who is this paragraph about? Paragraph about. Then another one question. Thereby, what was he? What was he? Then question number 3. Where did he work for a long time? Work for a long time. Then question number 4. Where had his master brought him from? Where was his master Master bought him from. Bought him from. Then question number 5 is, how old was Jim then? How old was Jim then? 6th question number. Who liked very much? Liked him very much. Then question number 7. Why did they like him? These are some of questions. Now we will discuss these questions. Who is this paragraph about? This paragraph is about a boy whose name was Jim, and he was also, what was his master? Now, he was from slave market. Jim was a slave. And what was he? He was a slave. He was a small boy, and also he was a slave also. And where did he work for a long time? He worked for his master. He worked under his master for a long time. He worked under his master for a long time. Where was his master bought him from? His master bought him from a slave market. Then another one. How old was Jim then? Jim was 11 years old at then. Who liked him very much? Master's children liked him. Him means whom? Liked Jim very much. And why did they like him? Jim was very faithful and also one of the very good storyteller, and that's why Jim's master's children also liked him, and they liked him very much. These are the questions. Now some questions are there also. Now we will discuss again. Question number 8. 8 is about what? He was good at 2 things. What were they? He was good at 2 things. What were they? What were they? Then question number 9, that is, how was he famous among the slaves? Famous among the slaves. Slaves. Then question number 10, that is, how could he make a fool of other? How could he make a fool of others? 11 question number, that is did everyone like Jim? Jim, his master also, his master also, and why? Up to question number 7 we have already discussed. Now we will discuss about question number 8. He was good at two things. What were they? He was good at two things. He was a very good storyteller and also he was a very good singer also. How was he famous among slaves? As he told his stories very interestingly and very impressively. That's why he was different and he was famous among other slaves. And how could he make a fool of her? By making riddles out of nothing, and also he could make others fool. Then did everyone like Jim? Yes, everyone liked Jim very much. And his master also? Yes, his master also liked Jim very much. Why? Because Jim was very faithful and also a good, excellent storyteller. And also besides that, he had some other qualities. He was a singer also, and also he could make riddles out of nothing, and which were very interesting for others. And that's why, besides all the things, Jim was a very faithful boy. So that's why everybody liked him very much. So today we will stop our class. All of the comprehension questions you have to do in your copy, and we will stop our class. Next we will proceed SCP 2 and 3 part of slaves literature. Clear? Now we will stop our class. Thank you everybody.